Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix PDF document could not be printed error. So first, you can restart your printer and computer. You can turn off your printer and computer, unplug it, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. And then restart your computer and retry printing. The second one, you can update or reinstall your printer driver. First, check for updates, and the second one, you can reinstall the printer driver. And next, you can also check the PDF files. You can open another PDF files in here. For example, this is the file that I want to print, but this is error. But you can also try using another file. So try printing a different PDF to ensure the issue isn't file specific. And repair the PDF file. So you can just open it and then save a PDF as a new name to repair potential file corruptions. You can also use a different PDF viewer if you are using, for example, this one, a WPS. You can try to use another one such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, or you can also use a Foxit Reader, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. And you can also try to adjust the print setting. You can just, for example, here, click on print. You can try to print it as image, not a PDF. This one, there will be this option. You can try to print it as image. And check for the printer status to ensure the printer is online and set as the default printer. You can also try to troubleshoot the printing issue. So run the Windows troubleshooter. You can go to the settings in here on the Windows 10 or 11. And then go to the update and security. You can troubleshoot printer and run the troubleshooter. You can also try to convert the PDF to another format such as image or Word, and check for spooling issues. You can clear the print spoolers. Just press on the Windows plus R on your keyboard and then open the surfaces.msc. Hit on enter or OK, and then just find the print spooler in here under the list. Right click and click on stop. And you can also try to reinstall the PDF reader that you are using. So by trying this quick fixes, you should be able to resolve the PDF document could not be printed error efficiently. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.